How to capture news feature on your WordPress website. This is what it will look like. There's a news page with the news items on the list. So first you do content design and architecture. You decide on one type of content to put, for example, press release, stock surveys, and competitions. And then second, you implement the content architecture. So, the two most important ones in WordPress are category and taxonomy or tags. So for taxonomy or tags under post inside the WordPress admin, you will see there's all posts, add new post, categories and tags. Categories and tags are what we're going to look at. So categories are the main ones, and tags are sort of like flexible ones. So you will have to define categories before you use them, but not for tags. Um, so yeah, category refers to high-level taxonomy order. You can use this to segregate your content, while tags also refer achieve the same function. They are used loosely. Okay, so here we're going to create a category called press releases. That's for the Lahani website. Add the new category. From there, we're going to go to create post, and then in creating the post, we will use that category to categorize this particular post. So this is a test press release category article. You put in the title and then some random content. Do not panic. Just calm down and let him Hoffman apologizing you. Really, I know, I know. Yeah, then we go to post on the right tab and then you scroll down on categories and then you will see categories you've created. So you will select in press release and then we'll go to tags next and then we'll just select something from the ones that are already in the system featured in this example, and then you select a post image, whichever you want to choose. I'm going to go for the ones with the Glenn Hammy and his teammates. And then after that, you are ready to publish. So you go to the top right hand corner and click on publish. It will ask you to confirm if you want it to get published. Then you just click again on publish and it will publish it. Then when you go to view post, you will see the post that's already been published there. So it's got the featured image, the title, and the content, as well as the categories underneath that title. So in this case, that's press release and featured. If we click on featured, it will take us to a page that lists all articles tagged as featured. So if you can look up at the address bar, it's lahani/tag/feature. So the third part of this of creating a news website is the page design. Through the page design, you can select how the articles will look, the layout and such. So you go to page and then you add new page and then you can give it any title you want. But for our case, it's the news part, so we just go to news and then you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see query post, post option, page appearance, and then query post. So under query post, that's where we will query all articles tagged as press release or news or featured, and then press release. And once you're done, you just scroll down and then you select the layout, which layout you want, because press release is only one article. We'll just go with the default news category to show how the layout works. So I'm going to select that one with the list, leave everything as it is, and then I'll publish the page. So again, it will ask to confirm, you confirm and then click publish again, and then click on the view page link and it will redirect you to there. So that's the news page. You can see everything's listed there. Tags, you can update the layer by editing them. So when you go there, you scroll down to the bottom where it says post layout, then you select a different one. There's also options for missionary view, grid view, 2x2 grids, 3x3 grids, 4x4 grids. You can also query only a certain number of um, posts. So in this case, we're only querying 4. Now scrolling down, it will only show 4 articles. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and so on. That's because in the settings I put 4. Okay, I'm going to just edit it again and then show how it will look in masonry layout. Okay, edit page again, you scroll to the bottom and then you select masonry, the last option. Yes, and then click remove the post per page so it doesn't limit, it just loads everything. And then you go and click update, and it will update the page. Open up the page and you will see there. So it's in missionary layout now. So yeah, that's basically how you create a news page in WordPress.